Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. What I wanted to do is go over my monthly budget for the month of October. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. Hi everybody, welcome back. First, I do want to say track your expenses. I know it's not for the week, but if you track your expenses, you get to know how much you spent, how much you may need to start budgeting for, and what you can possibly cut out of your budget. So, I'm in this planner right here, the Easy Cash Budget Planner with Savings Challenge Special Edition. And this planner is made by Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You. So I don't have too many more months to go in this planner, but as you can see, I've added some stickers from Gold Mine and Cocoa. I did go ahead and add a trunk piece and these two stickers right here. I do have it sort of color coded as far as what's what or what's getting paid. And of course, I did not write how much the bills are because you're going to see that separately. So this is my monthly budget overall. So as you can see, for the month of October, I'm actually going to go back to the split payment method, half payment method, or whatever you want to call it. And I do have a sheet that I am going to show you all. So after offering, I do have $2,807 to budget with. And I've already written out all the bills. And I did double check, triple check, and just checked overall to make sure that everything is right. So starting off with the first bill, we have Netflix for $11, Uber One for $10, and all of the bills are rounded up to the next dollar. Cricket $8.18, Prime $8, YouTube, this is for budgeting just because, which is Chris channel, $3. My electricity bill is 105, HP Instaprint $2, Google is $3, and I believe my insurance for the car is going up to, I think it's going to go up by $38, but I'm really not sure until I get that bill, so we'll see. That's why I have the question mark there. Then for term life, I do have $59, car payment $467, rent. If I end up budgeting for this at all, remember I'm kind of almost by I think almost by $100 and something off, but I'm almost 2 months ahead on the rent, so we'll just see how that goes. When it comes to AT&T, it is $65. Altogether the bills are $1,969, and we have $838 left. And then what we'll do is just go over here to my wallet. Yes, I did add a whole lot of cash envelopes to it. That way I can, budget what I need to budget for, spend what I need to spend without going over. So spending $380, blessed, which is Jasmine 28. And of course, all of this may change. For thankful, this is just travel. I did 70. For Travis, I did 20. Car things 20. Fun 40. Miscellaneous 40. HBA, and that is including household things along with health and other beauty things. $30. Gas 80. Foodie question mark because probably not, but you never know. Giving $10. Laundry, so when it comes to laundry, this is just for laundry change. I do already have $20 that I budgeted for this last pay period, but I never used it. I ended up going home, staying there for a week. I washed clothes at my mom's house. Travis got some clothes washed at his mom's house, and we just kind of used everybody's washer. I know, right? Terrible, but it was free. So altogether, it's $738, which is shocking to me. And the remaining amount is 100. So for that 100 amount, I am going to put it in the hold it bucket in my Ally account until the end of the month. That way, if I do need to take from it, I can, and if I don't, I won't. Now, remember in my last budget for the last paycheck for September, I do still have $135 in my hold it Ally bucket. And once I figure out my paycheck for the first paycheck of October, then I will use this money right here to stuff my saving challenges, and then we'll just go from there. So here's my sheet I came up with for the month of October. I was going to say September. It just has all the bills listed just like this page do. It has the full amounts, and it has the amount that I'm going to need for each paycheck. So each paycheck I'm going to do $929.50, and I'm doing it this way because I'm going to show you. Hold on. So as you can see in the last paycheck for September, the last paycheck I ended up coming out of $1,026.66. And for that first paycheck, I ended up coming out of $927.17. And if we subtract the two, that's a difference of $99.49. So if I would have split everything up like I am going to do for October, everything would have been a less amount. What am I trying to say? I guess I'm trying to say that I'm not trying to be budget heavy when it comes to a certain paycheck. I just want to just even everything out. So I know you all are wondering, like, how are you going to do that? You're not a month ahead. You don't have any cash for a month ahead. So check this out. All of these bills are due on credit card, 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 credit, and money order. So I only have 4 bills that are actually due, but this one isn't due until December, so I got plenty of time to save up the full amount for my life insurance, so I don't have to worry about that. And of course the car is going to get paid no matter what. And I take that back, I've already paid this bill, so it's actually 1, 2, 3. Everything else is due on a credit card. With everything due on a credit card, what happens in October, and depending on when it falls or close, the bill may not actually be due for the credit card until November. And if it's after the closing date, when some of these bills go through, the bill wouldn't be due until December. So with that being said, I'm able to do this and not run into any trouble. And this is why I'm starting this on a 2 paycheck month versus what I recommend, a 3 paycheck month, because most of my bills are paid with my credit card. So whatever I do for or spend this month, it's not due until next month or December. December. So that's it. That's my monthly budget. It's not much at all. I've also noticed that when I do the budget like this and also have money set aside for hold it, it just makes everything goes much smoother. So that's it. That's the budget.